Hi guys, it's Miss Simon. Hope you're doing well. I hope some of my friends from Miss Jackson's class are with us and some of my friends from Miss Ayler's class. Hello. Are you ready for an all about the number? I want you to tell me today's number. I have two 10 frames in blue here. Can you count and tell me what our number is? I'll give you a second to count it and tell me our today's number. Did you get it? What's today's number? Yes, 19. A 1 and a 9. 19. Hey, if this is all filled up, how much is it? 10. Yes, that's why it's a 10 frame. It has 10 on it. So that's 10. So we can say 10, touch it and say 10, and keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Beautiful boys and girls. Now, look at the hundreds chart. Hey, how many of you been practicing counting to 100? I hope so. You know that's the skill to be able to count all the way to 100. And even if you mess up once or twice, keep going, get someone to help you, and you just keep going till you can count to 100 on your own. Now, can you find 19 on this hundreds chart? It starts at 1 and it goes all the way to 100. So where is 19 in that? I'll give you a second to put your finger on 19. Good job. Your finger should be right there on 19. Excellent. Now, let me ask you another question, boys and girls. What is 1 less than 19? Let me take one away. Now I have 1 less than 19. How much is 1 less than 19? What would that be? Count the 10 frames if you need to. Or look at 19 and think, which way do I go? Or if you're counting, do I count forward or do I count backwards if I want 1 less? What is it, boys and girls? Yes, 18. If you're at 19, you go back. Remember, you go backwards if you're talking about 1 less. It's going to be a smaller number. 1 less than 19 is 18. And you could count it here, right? This is how much? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Beautiful. Now, what's one more? What is one more? Let's go back. Here's 19, right? 1 10, 9 ones. Now let's do one more. What do you notice about these 10 frames? They're both full. Do you see that, boys and girls? You have 2 full 10 frames. So we could count them by, yes, someone I think from Miss Hamill's class, or was that Miss Whalen's class that said count them by 10s? We could go 10, 20. 1 more than 19 is 20. Excellent. Oh, I hope some of my friends from Miss Evans' class are here, and Miss Frank's class. Oh, my class. Anybody from Miss Simon's class here? I hope so. Now, let's look over here. I have some of our community helper symbols here. We've been talking about community helpers this week, and next week we're going to be talking about community helpers. So maybe you can read some books about firemen and policemen and hospital workers and mailmen and all the different people men and women who work in our community to help us. So I have 19, because that's our number, items here. Let's make sure Miss Simon didn't mess up. Can you help me make sure I have 19? Can you count it with me? Don't count ahead of me, count with me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and one more from 18 is 19. Beautiful. Now, who can tell me what you notice? Did I hear someone in Miss Ayler's class say, there's a pattern there, Miss Simon? You're right. Who can tell me what the pattern is? What is the pattern? The pattern is the part that keeps repeating over and over again. What's the pattern? Yes, did you say fire hat, fire truck? Fire hat, fire hat, fire truck. Fire hat, fire hat, fire truck. Yes, that's what keeps repeating. We call the part that we repeat over and over the what? What do you call the part that keeps repeating? We call it the core. So what is the core? What is the part that we keep saying over and over again, that you keep seeing over and over again? Fire hat, fire hat, fire truck. Beautiful. That's the core. That's what keeps repeating. How could you say that as an AB or ABB or ABC? What kind of pattern, if we put letters to it, would it be? What would it be? Fire hat would be a what? First letter A. This is a fire hat too, so we say A, and then it changes to something different, so we use the next letter in the alphabet, B. A, oh, then it repeats again, so it's A, B. A, B pattern. Beautiful, boys and girls. And look, I even wrote the word name 19 for you. What do you notice? How many N's are in 19? Yes, 3. Hey, how many E's are in 19? Yes, 3. Isn't that interesting that 19 has 3 N's in it and 3 like elephants in it? Beautiful. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have an awesome, awesome day. Don't forget you have a 19 worksheet in your packet, so make sure you get that done. Practice counting to 100. Have an awesome day. We love you, and you know we miss you guys so much.